Mom said I can't go outside when it rains. It's so boring. I wanted to play Sipa with Junjun.
Marco, my grandchild. Instead of frowning at the window, come here. Look at what I'm cooking.
Wow, Grandma, champurrado. It smells so good. Nothing tastes better than hot chocolate when the weather is freezing. Go take a seat.
That's when I learned that when Grandma was young, they used to make paper boats whenever it rained. I realized that rainy days aren't so lonely after all.
You don't need to go outside to find joy. Sometimes, the best memories are made right inside the house, with the people who love you.